Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with our first long to short transformation. Stylist gives her a classic bob haircut here with some bangs. Very cute. This is playing into that French girl style bob trend, which is pretty much all over TikTok right now. Very cute style. Next up, she has pretty long hair and also decided to switch it up with this bob. It ends just around the jawline, and she also went darker with the color. Moving on to transformation number 3, she does start off with a bob. Oh, such a cute makeover with this mushroom style pixie. Very cute. And then we move into the next one. So she has this gorgeous, thick, curly, wavy hair. Stylist cuts the hair around mid-length. Does some layers in the front. Cuts the hair shorter into some bangs. Oh, and she gets this nice old money style bob. Look how volumized her hair is. I mean, she has thick hair to begin with, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, all of that long hair gone. So it looks like she's getting a bob here. So cute. So here we have someone else with beautiful curly wavy hair, chopping it off into a pixie. Oh, I love this shape he did here with the asymmetrical pixie cut. And then here we have someone who decides to do a jaw length style bob or chin length style bob. Same thing, really. So she started off with like shoulder length hair. Nice, simple, and chic with the off-center part. And her hair looks so much thicker now that it is shorter. Very cute. So here we have someone with hair just around shoulder length. And she gets a cute bob haircut. Oh, Okay, so he is cutting that hair right off. Looks like she's getting a pixie here. Adding some bangs to the front. Very nice. Then we have another dramatic long too short. I love to see people's reactions, like when they're getting their hair cut and they're just like, the stylist hands them the hair. We have a layered haircut style here with the bangs. And bangs are very popular this season. I can't think of another time where I've seen bangs being in such high demand. We're seeing many variations with the curtain style, the blunt bang, the bottleneck. Bangs are just pretty much everywhere. And they can be a really simple way that you can shake up your hair without doing anything too drastic if you don't want to cut too much of your hair off. So many gorgeous hair ideas. So here we have our last hair transformation, and this one is going to feature a very structured pixie cut. Frames the face perfectly. Look how the stylist does the sideburns here. Beautifully angled and shaped to her head. Very nice. Alright, you guys, so I hope that you have enjoyed taking a look at all of these gorgeous long to short transformations featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.